Hello everyone! Welcome back to another episode of Civil Saturday. This week has been a very progressive one. I'm very excited to show what we have been working on this week. As you can see to my left here, we have a couple new vehicles. I got a fire truck, we got some cars over there in the distance. But one of the main things I'd like to show off is this thing. It looks really simple. It's just a square on the wall. Well, I'll show you what it does in a second. The big part of this week was setting up a system for handling quests and jobs. It looks something like this. If you're in the Discord, you've seen this image before, and I'm sure you've seen a lot of the stuff that goes around this. But essentially, this is a questing mission manager sort of thing. This is for handling all the jobs, tasks, and other things that you can do in the game that help either NPCs or anything to get you some of the rewards down here. As you can see, we have a basic tutorial quest, which really doesn't do anything right now because we haven't set up a tutorial. But we do have a test over here, which is what the square is. Right here is a place where we can grant ourselves a quest. The zoning board needs somebody to explore the new city for future development plans. It's just a simple exploration quest, and I'll show you how it works. So, the first thing I have to do is visit the police station. You can see in the top right that we have to visit there, and there's our destination point marked on the screen right there, so we'll go over there, and we'll go ahead and collect it. Might as well drive the car, though. It's more fun that way. Our next location is the neighborhoods. 240 meters away. You guys will notice as we cross the boundaries here and go and touch this thing, nothing happens. That's because this is actually the final part of the quest. So if we get out of the car, this is the completion point. This is where the quest is completed. You need to be able to do this on foot. There we go. We completed the testing quest. Congratulations on a job well done. Here's the rewards. We got $50 from that. That's pretty good. That's essentially how civilians will be able to make money in the game and earn rewards by doing these quests. And then, of course, your job will appear up here, if you have a job. If not, you're just going to get this. Now, that all seems pretty simple, but it's actually a very complex system, and that's why it took about a week to make. So sorry there's not too much else to show, but we do have new cars, and that's always good. We should be adding some new vehicles soon. I don't know why my car is rattling so much. There's a fire truck behind me as well. I know you guys saw that. I have some golf carts, which are neat. You'll notice that we have the same engine noise for each of these, and that is because we don't actually have any better sound effects to use. The cars in the video seem a lot slower because of the screen recorder that I'm using. It also shows very low frame rate because of the screen recorder that I'm using. But here's the fire truck, right? So that's pretty much it for the additions in this episode of Civil Saturday. New cars, a little bit of additions to the world. Got the questing system, which is very nice. And I think that's about it, guys. So thank you for tuning in. Thank you for your support. You guys are great. I know I always say this at the end of these videos, but honestly, if it weren't for the community, this game would be nowhere. Thank you all for everything that you do. Hopefully we can get this alpha update out as soon as possible.